after being down 0-2. Very comfortable hitter with 2 strikes is Darin Ruf.
I got to tell you something. This ball was just a little bit elevated inside, and as you can see right there, that's almost 400 feet. Watch his hands. Guy's got to pull his hands all the way in. That ball is 6 inches away from his body when he hits it. He is a strong man, I will tell you that much.
This guy who didn't even have any power until the back half of last season, he was always a contact hitter. How excited are you, how tempered are you about Darin Ruf and his future with the Phillies, especially because he had to pay the price for hitting that first Major League home run. These guys, they didn't give him love.
I got to tell you something. They gave him 5 minutes. We saw 2, 3 hitters come up after the fact of him hitting a home run. Darin sat in the dugout like this. I got to tell you something. I'd be a little freaked out after about 2 minutes. And then they still haven't come over to you. Now you're going to see it all. 3 outs in the inning, and there you go.
They turn around. They give Darin Ruf the love that he was looking for. Over 2 in his Major League career before tonight. He gets a couple of hits. And so it's a good night for Darin Ruf, his first Major League home run. And how about that?
Big standing ovation
the
going
standing
out to
ovation
left.
Going back out to left field. That's a guy that Phillies fans will be very high on.
I got to tell you something. I was really happy for the guy. I mean, he gets his first opportunity to start in the big leagues. His first Major League hit is a home run. Coming off of that season he just had in Reading, I mean, I'm sure there's a ton of pressure sitting on his own shoulders. Not necessarily from us, but within himself. He's got to prove to somebody, again, that he could play in the big leagues. And I'll tell you what, I liked what I saw from him tonight. I mean, tempering, my thought process, absolutely. It's really, I call this his first game. I know he had a couple at bats, but this was his first game that he can grasp onto. And it was nice. It was impressive.
Still, it was very nice to see him homer in his first at-bat of his first start after waiting so long just to get his name penciled into the lineup as a starter. He got the job done. You know who was very thankful for that? The guy on the mound tonight, Cole Hamels. He's a subject of our